guys, Chris here with Drone Tech. I am a professional drone pilot here in Eugene, Oregon. I've been flying drones since the 1960s, actually. Yeah, I'm here with Truly False Tech Support, and we're gonna do some Q&A answers about drones. First question here is, hey man, I just got this drone, but it keeps getting shot out of the sky. Well, first of all, you wanna go into settings and make sure your shields and your deflections are set to max. That will definitely benefit you a lot. Second off, you don't really wanna fly in town, over your neighbor's house, or towards airports. You usually wanna fly in big open spaces, no trees, nice big fields, and that will probably solve your problem. Number two, my drone won't take off. It's probably broken, honestly. Just buy a new one. But if that also doesn't work, then you should probably look in your settings. Make sure it's stabilized, your GPS location is on, and all the proper settings are set to the right thing, because a lot of the newer drones have to be preset before they can even take off. Question number three. Hello, my drone keeps getting stuck in power lines. How can I avoid this? Don't fly in power lines. That is how you avoid that. Just make sure you have wide open space. There's no trees, no wildlife, no telephone lines. It's pretty simple. Number four. Dude, I really need your help. My drone video keeps making me sick. This used to bug me back in the day. You know what, it really helped when I had a barf bag for when I'm doing my video. But also what helped is getting smooth transitions for your shots. Nice, slow movements, nothing too jagged or harsh. That'll definitely help your mind out in the nausea game. Last question. Why do I keep crashing my drone? I don't know. You're probably just a bad pilot. Not everyone can be like me. That's okay. And then I think that is it. That concludes the Q&A for today. Again, my name's Chris. I'll see you next time. Peace out.